Are you looking at adding value and skills to guide the delivery in Lean Enterprise? Do you want to learn about the activities, tools, and mechanics used to manage backlogs and programs? Then the SAFe Product Owner Product Manager is the ideal course for you. I'm Erin, and I'm your career advisor and certification expert. During this 2-day course, attendees will gain an in-depth understanding of the Agile release train, how it can do to effectively perform their role. You will also learn how to apply lean thinking to write epics, break them down into features and stories, plan and execute iterations, and plan program increments. Attendees also learn about the continuous delivery pipeline and DevOps culture, how to effectively integrate as product owners and product managers, and what it takes to relentlessly improve the art. This course is ideal for product managers, product line managers, product owners, business owners, and business analysts. Enterprise, solution, and system architects will benefit from this program. We offer you much more than just a set of slides and an instructor. You will be trained in how to apply SAFe in the Lean Enterprise, relating a Lean Agile mindset to the product owner and manager roles, and collaborating with Lean Portfolio Management, how to continuously explore customer needs. Executing the program increment, defining the product owner and manager roles and responsibilities, and creating a product owner and manager action plan. This is achieved by encouraging participants to work on real-life cases with other attendees together as a team. Get certified and deliver product value through effective program increment execution.